Hello everyone. Today I want to tell you about how I created a bot with ChatGPT that will help us to create passive income and make our lives much easier. The code for this bot operates on the principle of MEV, short for Maximal Extractable Value. MEV involves the use of mempool and arbitrage strategies. It works with popular decentralized platforms on Ethereum such as Uniswap, 1inch, etc. For example, if someone creates a transaction with slippage, it goes into the mempool. It's a place where transactions await to be processed to then go into blockchain. This ChatGPT's code scans the mempool, detects such a transaction, checks if there's an opportunity to profit from it, and if so, creates a similar transaction for the same amount but with a higher gas price so it gets processed first, and then resells this transaction at a higher price thanks to the slippage. This difference between the additional ether spent on gas and slippage is our profit. Now let's get to building our bot. First of all, you need MetaMask browser extension. I'll leave a link in the description if you don't have it installed. Now head over to remix.ethereum.org, which is a Web3 application allowing us to develop, deploy, compile, and launch smart contracts which are coded in the Solidity language. You can find the link in the description below. Open the sidebar on the left and create a new contract. I'm going to name it mevbot.sol. Now paste the code from the link I left in the description. The site will warn you to be careful when dealing with the contract. Click OK. The bot requires us to use more than 0.2 Ethereum, because smaller amounts just don't have enough slippage to make a profit on it. It is completely open source for audits and free for modifications as well. But in case of modifications, only you are responsible for its functioning. I have enough Ethereum on MetaMask, and I'm connected to the Ethereum mainnet chain. Now check line 42 for wrapped Ether token, ensuring it matches the official address on Etherscan. Make sure that the address is correct. It's very important, so double check that, just in case. As you can see, everything matches, so we can move to the next step. Go to the compiler section to compile our bot. Here, you need to select your version to 0.8.20, so it matches our contract. Then click on Compile mevbot.sol. Go to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab. In the Environment tab, choose Injected Provider MetaMask. Click Next. If successful, you will see Wallet Connection. Now go ahead and press the Deploy button. Click Confirm. After successful deployment, we need to confirm creation of our contract by paying some gas fees. I would definitely recommend to use aggressive option for gas to deploy the contract because of the difference in Ethereum is very small, but transaction performs way faster. Since our contract was successfully deployed, go to Deployed Contracts and copy your contract ID. Go to the Etherscan and paste your transaction ID into the search field. Here you can see that the contract was created successfully. Let me tell you about the control panel right here. Every button has its own function. First of all, Search sends a command to the bot to start working with funds and make transactions. Set Trade Balance. Here you can set the amount of Ethereum on your wallet to work with. Withdrawal commands the bot to withdraw funds from the smart contract to the creator's wallet. Before withdrawing funds, it is necessary to stop the bot as the funds can be used in the process at the moment. To start the bot, go to MetaMask and fund bot's contract with some Ethereum. I will use 1 Ether. Make sure you got the right address in there, it's very important. Click Continue, and just like last time, select the aggressive option for the gas fee. Now, we need to wait a little. Let's check our contract. Well, the bot successfully received 1 Ethereum for trading. Let's start the bot. In Set Trade Balance, specify the amount of money your bot will work with, and then click Search. Once again, confirm the small amount of gas fees. As usual, choose Aggressive option. Now we wait. Great. The bot received 1 Ether and started working. Now I will leave my PC for a while and we will check how much profit the bot can make in, let's say, 12 and 24 hours. Okay, it's almost 12 hours since I've started the bot. Let's look at the results. I got almost 0.15 Ether, which is 15% of the amount I've deposited. Now I'm going to wait another 12 hours and we will see the final result. Well guys, it's finally time to check the result and see how much profit the bot brought me. It got almost 0.32 Ethereum in just 24 hours. So basically it takes 3 days to double my 1 Ether. Amazing yet simple profit. Now I'm going to withdraw my Ethers back to the wallet by clicking the Withdrawal button and paying some gas fees. Choose Aggressive and click Confirm. Okay, now go to MetaMask. As you can see, I have instantly withdrawn funds from the smart contract back to my wallet. The bot doesn't have any additional fees, because only you are its owner. In the end, I want to thank you for watching the video and giving me the opportunity to share content with you. Feel free to ask me more about the bot in the comments section, or message me on Telegram. I'll leave a link in the description. See you next time!